Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Today we're gonna talk about what platform is the best if you have an AI model and which one you need to choose because there are a lot of options. There are way more than these three, by the way, but I just want to focus on them because these are the main one. And one of them not even accepting AI models, of course, like OnlyFans. And I know people taking risk and trying, to do it, but then they get banned and risk all their accounts and the ID itself, the real model. So we're gonna talk about the cons and the benefits of each one of them, and which one I would choose if I just starting, or if I'm already in the OF space, the real OF space, and I want to just go into AI, switch, test, or just put the eggs not in one basket. So let's talk about it. So we have OnlyFans, as you already know, it's the famous one, probably the most conversion one, right? The conversion are way higher than this one. But you cannot put any AI models. You can do hybrid. You can, of course, market with AI, which is okay. But you cannot put any AI models there. So, of course, if you put, you have really, really high chances for getting banned, and this is not worth it, in my opinion. And they have KYC, which you have to put the model KYC, and yeah, you can close contract with your model, but she can just disappear in one day. There's a lot of stories, model just stop working. A lot of the time these models are not the most stable ones, and so it's a little bit risky. And for the crypto withdrawals for OnlyFans, so you can do it, but you still need a KYC. You can do it through Skrill, as far as I know. And but you still need a KYC, so you need to show ID and all of that if you're trying to just stay more anonymous. So here's a disadvantage. And of course you have the chatting cost, which is 20% if you paying to a chatting agency, mostly, sometimes less, sometimes 15%, but this is around these percentages, sometimes even more. And and the platform fee is 20% for all of them, which is the standard. So for OnlyFans, I would not try AI at all, just stupid as fuck. And if you have already some models and you're trying to do AI, so this is just stupid decision in my opinion. Second one, let's go to Dfans. So this platform I started to play with lately, and was really surprising it even exists, to be honest. And I'll explain why. They didn't ask for any KYC, so I don't need to provide any ID. I can just start immediately, really, really fast. This is something that we did the others. These two, it's not like that. So non-KYC, which is big benefits for me. Also, you can withdraw the money to non-KYC wallet if you really want to, try to be anonymous. So it's really also good and big benefits. And what is the main here advantage that I saw, that's why I even go to this platform from the get-go, because I have chatters and I pay them $2 per hour and 5% commission, and I just wanted to see if there is an AI who can replace them or maybe do at least kind of similar job to them. And then one of my friends who make $2K a month with Dfans, he told me about this platform, and I said, seriously, bro, let's test that. So they have built-in AI. You can just give the settings, and then it's checked with the customers. So it's really, really good. Of course, cannot replace a chatter, but it can filter the people who are time wasters, which is really take big part of the chatting, right? When the clients already fall in love and all that, so it's okay, just building the relationship and all that. But the first part, which is the KYC, the bot can do it, which can save you a lot of time. And this is why I think, not even if you're a beginner who doesn't have the chatting skill, yes, you can use Dfans, but if you have OnlyFans agency and you just want to move some of the eggs, to another platform or just test with AI, so this can be so good for you. The platform fee is 20%, so it's same like OnlyFans and Fanvue. Now let's talk about Fanvue, which is really the biggest game right now in the AI OFM, right? So as far as I know, I think they don't accept hybrid. I'm not sure about it, but I think most of you have to be AI. This is first rule. You need to put KYC, which not all the countries accepted, by the way. I know Turkey, for example, I thought it's not accepting, or maybe even more countries. They are fine, but yeah, you have to put KYC. If you want a second model, you have to send them all the details through emails, and that makes sense, but it just make it more complicated. I know a lot of people who just getting their account banned. Sometimes the money is just stuck. You need to show proof. So yeah, you need to be very, very careful. I mean, even if everything is AI, for example, I was uploading like a picture with a uniform school, and my account almost got suspended. Like now, of course, I'm respecting everything. I read all the terms of conditions, but it's still very, very risky. For the crypto withdrawals, it's the same as Dfans. You can also withdraw to non-KYC. They don't really care if this is like you, but yeah. But they do. You need to provide your KYC overall to use Fanvue, right? And the chatting cost, their AI is shit. I mean, you can use that for like just click, and make it like easier for you to chat, but it's not at all not useful in my opinion. And you have to bring chatters top on the 20% you already paid them, okay, which is the platform fee. So you're gonna get, let's say you make 10K, so 40% even more gonna go out of your pocket. So we're left only with 6K, and take the marketing expenses and everything, you're gonna left with way less. It sounds like a lot of money, but in the end it's a lot of fees here. And also lately Fanvue, I don't know, I saw a lot of subs coming in and they're all expired status, but maybe just the bag they need to fix. But overall, I really see Dfans is the best choice right now. If you want to start, it's non-KYC, it's really fast to start. The AI chatting is filtering the people. I will show you in a second, but I'm really happy with that. So I really wanted to share with you guys this platform, which I just discovered lately. And the OnlyFans is not really an option at all for any connecting to AI. So let me show you guys. Yeah, let me show you the platform here. So as you can see, this looks very similar to Fanvue and OnlyFans, of course. All look the same. See, like this is like some subs follow the profile. And for the AI strategy, you can choose here AI messaging, and then you put the name of your model, their like sex, right? Birthday, language, style. You can choose a lot of style here. And as far as I know, you can also send the Dfans team if you want to do customized stuff. So you can like contact them through Telegram. They have like channel or Discord, and you ask them to change the chat assistance, which can be really improved through the time, which insane. Like it can make you sales guys. Like you don't need any chatter, which is crazy. I would not replace the chatters fully, but it still can filter at least the KYC phase. And you upload the paid photos. Okay, you put the picture, you put a title, and you put the price. I think you can sell till $200 per image or video, which is, I think on Fanvue it's 500, but it's okay. I mean, I don't know a lot of like purchases more than 200. If you do, so bravo, but you can find a way to go over it, but it's still good enough. Yeah, so you just can see here the AI analytics. All the other stuff is the same, the vault and the chatting. Let's show you the chatting here. I think I have here example. This is like one of the Arab models here. So yeah, it was like a few months ago, I think, this chat, specifically this chat, and it's already improved. We are almost like in the end of the year. But yeah, it's really impressive. Like I didn't even chat with this guy, and what you can do here as well, you can turn off the AI chatbot if you want. So if you find out this guy, okay, is qualified enough to talk with, so you can let your chatters talk with him, and you turn it off. So it's amazing. So your chatter is actually focusing on the ones, in our business, only the top of the pyramid are the people who are spending, right? So it's really, really nice that you can use this feature. That's all, guys. Like nothing a lot to say. I'm just really happy with this platform, and they're really easy to sign up. You can withdraw really easily. Fanvue is still good, of course, but this is just, I don't know, it just looks for me like way better option right now compared to the others. And yeah, if you have any more questions, you can check their website below. You can text me on Telegram. Of course, we have a free Telegram channel. You can ask questions. You can ask people exactly what they're doing and get some free help. And if you want one-on-one mentorship, I do have it. I give you all the knowledge you need to actually see success. I have people who saw success really, really fast, 4K in 2 weeks. You can then get there as well if you want, if you're serious enough. If you're not serious, don't contact me, of course. And this is everything for today, guys, and see you on the next video. Peace.